StudyMode.com.
Now we are going to do next question. The question is somewhat lengthy, so I shall read the question. Question number 6 from exercise 4.2. Question number 6. I shall read the question because the question is somewhat lengthy. So the question is this. A cottage industry produces a certain number of pottery articles in a day. It was observed on a particular day that the cost of production of each article in rupees was 3 more than twice the number of articles produced on that day. If the total cost of production on that day was rupees 90, find the number of articles produced and the cost of each article. This is the question. I shall read the question once more. A cottage industry produces a certain number of pottery articles in a day. It was observed on a particular day that the cost of production of each article in rupees was 3 more than twice the number of articles produced on that day. If the total cost of production on that day was rupees 90, find the number of articles produced on that day and the cost of each article. This is the question. Now, let us assume the number of articles produced on that day to be X. Let the number of articles produced on that day is equal to X. Therefore, cost of production of each article is equal to, it is given that the cost of production is 3 more than twice the number of articles produced. Twice the number of articles produced is 2x and 3 more than means plus 3. Now, we are known the cost of production of each article and the number of articles produced on that day as x. So, we are multiplying the cost of production of each article by the number of articles produced. We will get the total cost of production. That means, therefore, the total cost of production is equal to x into 2x plus 3. X into 2x plus 3. But it is given in the question that the total cost of production it is given in the question as rupees 90. Therefore, x into 2x plus 3 is equal to 90. Therefore, x into 2x plus 3 is equal to 90. X into 2x plus 3 is also the cost of production. 90 is also the total cost of production. Now we are removing the bracket. X into 2x, 2x square, x into 3, 3x is equal to 90. Now we are bringing 90 to the left side. The equation is 2x square plus 3x minus 90 is equal to 0. Now we have to solve this equation by factorization. For that, we have to find out two numbers such as their sum will be plus 3 and the product will be minus 190. Minus 190 means 2 into minus 90. Now we have to find out two numbers whose sum is 3 and the product minus 190. For that, we are going to prime factorize 190. Prime factorization of 190. 190 can be divided by 2. 90 can be divided by 2. 45 can be divided by 3. 15. Then again 3, 5. Here we are getting the prime factorization as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. We have to find out by two numbers by rearranging these numbers. That is 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 3, 12. And 3 into 5 as 15. Now, if we want the sum as plus 3, the large number must be plus and the smaller number must be minus. Therefore, this is minus and this is plus. Therefore, the two numbers are plus 15 and minus 12. Plus 15 and minus 12, their product is minus 190 also. Now, we can split the middle term, 2x square. Instead of plus 3x, we can write plus 15x minus 12x minus 90 is equal to 0. From the first two terms, what can be taken as a common factor? Only x can be taken as a common factor. X. The remaining is 2x plus 15. From the last two terms, next two terms, we can take minus 6 as a common factor. Minus 6 as a common factor. The remaining is 2x plus 15 is equal to 0. Now, here also 2x plus 15, here also 2x plus 15. Now, 2x plus 15 into x minus 6 is equal to 0. Now, we are going to take each factor or each bracket as 0. 2x plus 15 is equal to 0. Therefore, 2x is equal to minus 15 and x is equal to minus 15 by 2. Now, x minus 6 is equal to 0, x is equal to plus 6. Here also our assumption was number of articles produced in a day. Number of articles produced in a day never can be a negative number. So here minus 15 by 2 is not acceptable. In this case, in this particular case, the solution x is equal to minus 15 by 2 is not acceptable. So we can accept the value x is equal to 6. That means that is number of articles produced. Number of articles produced in that day is equal to 6 and the cost of production of each article, that also they asked in the question to find out. Cost of production of each article. Cost of production of each article is equal to 2x plus 3. We are giving the value x is equal to 6 instead of x. 2 into 6 plus 3 is equal to 12 plus 3 is equal to rupees 15 is the cost of production of each article. We can check the result by multiplying the cost of production of each article and the total number of articles produced. That is 15 into 6 is equal to 90 itself. So our conclusion, our answer is number of articles produced is equal to 6 and the cost of production of each article is equal to rupees 15. Okay.